These are birds. There's a bird right there. There's a bird on my mailbox. And there's a bird, another bird right there. And that big thing lying right there is my 8-foot snake that these birds are trying to attack. There's one right there jumping around. It's on the roof. They all keep on flapping their wings, getting real close to my snake. There's one right there. Oh, there she goes, flying away. There they are. They're all flying away now until it bothers them. Attacking my baby. There's one right there still. She wants more. She wants a piece of it. Come on, baby. My snake. Come on. Come on, I got you. You ain't going nowhere. It's my baby right here. Put her in the middle. There she is right there. And there's the two birds up there want to attack her. Let's see if they get close again. There's one. Pull now. See what they do. Oh, there goes. They just came down. They just came down. Boom. They tried to attack my snake. There you go. There was one. They're flying right at him. Some crazy birds we got here in Hialeah. Crazy birds. My baby. She wouldn't hurt a fly. She's a baby. She's beautiful.